Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. PID doesn't destroy a solar module overnight. It slowly pulls your yield down. It quietly erodes warranty value, string by string. Potential induced degradation, or PID, is one of the most expensive long-term failure modes in large solar systems because the losses compound slowly, and by the time course monitoring notices the drop, years of performance degradation may already be locked in. That's why ClearSpot's agents are designed to detect PID early, while operators still have mitigation options available. So what actually causes PID? In simple terms, electrical leakage currents gradually damage module performance. This typically happens under high-voltage stress, combined with humidity temperature and grounding conditions. As PID progresses, module behavior changes. Voltage characteristics shift. Power output declines, and IV curves begin showing abnormal patterns. You may also see thermal inconsistencies across affected strings. The problem is that PID develops gradually, so standard production monitoring often misses it until the degradation becomes severe. The PID detection agent combines multiple signals together. It analyzes long-term performance time series, IV curve behavior, and thermal inspection clues. The system then compares those patterns against known PID progression signatures. When a match appears, affected strings are flagged with both severity scoring and confidence levels. That means teams can identify early-stage degradation before it becomes a large-scale recovery problem. Traditionally, PID detection requires specialist testing equipment and deep manual analysis. Teams often investigate only after major underperformance becomes obvious, and even then, pinpointing affected strings can take significant effort. The advantage of the agent is scale. It runs PID detection logic continuously in the background across routine inspections and operational datasets. So instead of hunting manually for degradation patterns, operators receive prioritized intelligence automatically. Once PID is detected, the next step is prioritization. Not every affected string requires the same response. Some may benefit from recovery systems or grounding adjustments. Others may need accelerated replacement planning. The findings also become operationally valuable beyond maintenance. They support warranty documentation, repowering decisions, and long-term asset strategy. Early detection creates optionality, and optionality protects revenue. For this episode, we included two practical resources. The first is the PID Early Warning Checklist. It covers the operational indicators and inspection signals teams should monitor routinely. The second is a sample PID progression report, showing how degradation patterns are documented over time. These resources are designed to help engineering and asset management teams standardize PID response workflows. You can access both resources directly from the ClearSpot demo page. Just request the PID resource pack linked with this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.